everyone, Iowa Homeschool Mom here. Today we're going to be talking about all of the different Christmas activities that I have planned for the kids to do this week. Now I have a toddler and a preschooler, but I'm sure kindergartners, first and maybe even second or third graders may enjoy some of these activities as well. And all of these activities will be going on our kids' shelf this week. So let's just go ahead and dive in. Our first activity I found over on JDA, and you can find these printables over at Teachers Pay Teachers, and I'll go ahead and link that below. So this printable comes with these little Christmas story nativity cards. And these are just really neat little cards that tell the true meaning of Christmas and the story about Jesus' birth. And I found these little Safari limited characters on Amazon to go with, so your child can hold the little figurine as you tell the story. We have Mary, and then angel visitation, so you would have your child find the angel. And then the printable also comes with these little nativity books for the kids to color. And I know my kids will really enjoy doing this. Yeah, it's just a really neat little way to cover the true meaning of why we celebrate Christmas. Our next activity is kind of working on counting as well as pre-writing fine motor skills. So you'd go ahead and have your child roll the dice and say they got a 3. You'd have them take their tongs and they'd either pick out 3 snowmen or 3 Christmas trees and then place them in the ice cube tray over here. You take 1, 2, and 3. And then you'd have your child put them back and then do it again. Now I found all of this at the Dollar Tree, the ice cube tray, these little erasers, the tongs, and the dice over at the Dollar Tree. So yeah, it's a neat little fun way for your kids to work on counting as well as fine motor skills. Now this activity was kind of geared towards my toddler, but my preschooler was already playing with these as I was prepping the activity, so I think that she'll really enjoy this as well. So we just have a bunch of different boxes, different sizes and lengths and whatnot. And I found all of these at the Dollar Tree as well. So you'd have your child find the right lid to the box, and then they would have to place it on the box. So this works fine motor skills as well as logic and critical thinking. And then our next activity is a pre-writing activity. Now my kids really love animals, so of course we had to include animals. So we have some winter animals over here, and again I found these cards at the Dollar Tree. So you would have your child pick a card and then they would write the letter that the animal starts with in their little sand tray over here. So F for fox. You could also work on letter sounds. And then they would go ahead and write F. And then they would shake it up. And they would go on to the next card. S for seal. And they would write their S. Yeah, such a fun activity for preschoolers to do. And then we have Play-Doh. So we love Play-Doh in our house. We try to do it almost every day. So we have some cookie cutters. So we got snowman, ornament, angel, all your Christmas themed cookie cutters. And then we have some rolling pins and then our Play-Doh. And I'll probably put this little Play-Doh in jars and out of the plastic before I set it on the shelf. And then with Play-Doh, you could also have your kid kind of roll out different letters. So you could do J for Jesus or C for Christmas. There's many ways you can use Play-Doh in your homeschool. And then we go on to our crafts. So we just have some crayons and some coloring pages. And if you just type in free coloring pages, free Christmas coloring pages on Google, you can find so many coloring pages to print off for your kids. And for this one, I think I typed in free nativity coloring pages. And then we just have some fun little snowman stickers and some loose paper. And then this craft we got at our church. So this is like a little foam ornament that comes with little foam stickers for the kids to put on. So you got Mary and Joseph. Little star. Baby Jesus is in there as well. So yeah, and then they can hang it on the Christmas tree after they're done making that. So that's pretty cute. And I will try to find the link for that. But again, we got this from our church, so I'm not sure of the direct source. But I will try to find it for you. And then we have all of our Christmas books. So we just have the Christmas Story. This is just a cute little board book. And then our all-time favorite one is Room for a Little One. And this one is just so beautiful. The illustrations are just gorgeous. And again, my kids love animals, so this really hit home with them. And then we have some St. Nicholas books. So this one is St. Nicholas, the Real Story of the Christmas Legend. And it's just a great living book to teach children the true meaning behind Santa Claus. And this one, The Legend of St. Nicholas, kind of tells the same thing, the true meaning of Santa. And this one actually kind of explains, you know, how we got our modernized Santa. My kids have really been enjoying that one. And then we have the donkey in the living room. So this one is great as an alternative to Elf on the Shelf. And it's just kind of a 9 days till Christmas countdown. And it has a story for each day. And then you would wrap a little character from your nativity scene each day for the kids to open. So the first day, when you have 9 days till Christmas, you'd wrap Mary and they would open that. And then you would read the little story to them. So yeah, that's a fun little one that we're going to be doing. And then of course we have our Jesus Storybook Bible that we're going to be reading from. And I really like this Bible because the stories are short for little kids, but they're still entertaining. but it still tells the true meaning. Yeah. Yeah. So those are the Christmas activities we have planned for this week. If you like this video, be sure to let me know below if you'd like to see more of these kind of activity videos. And I hope you guys all have a Merry Christmas. Bye, everyone.